In our first video, we showed you how to collect data remotely using virtual safety reports. In this video, we're going to show you how to take that data and create a report. Now, if you recall, there was 3 observations collected during our virtual inspection, one having to do with safety signs, another having to do with fire extinguishers, and a third having to do with housekeeping. Now, for the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to take that fire extinguisher photo. It was a positive observation, but we're going to document it as if it were a negative observation, just so you can see how that looks in the report. We're going to use our Construction 1926 checklist. There's 50+ categories in this checklist and 750 questions. It's completely customizable, so you can turn on or off categories as you like or add new ones. Same with the questions within the category. So to get started, we're going to go ahead, and we already have the safety sign photo loaded in our viewer pane. The first step is to click on Assign Picture to Inspection Item, and we need to select a category. We're going to select Postings Safety Signs, and a list of questions will open up, and then all you need to do is click on the radio button next to the appropriate question. In this case, we're going to use warning signs around primitive work sites, considered a best practice. We click on that, and we're going to check yes. And we're going to add some notes here. Good use of safety signs at entrance to facility, and we click Update. Just like that, we've taken that photo, we've assigned it to this category, and if we click on the category, you're going to see the check mark in the positive column. And if I click on the question itself, you're going to see our notes and the photo. Click Update, and let's go on and select the next photo. That was the fire extinguisher photo. And remember, again, this was a positive finding, but we're going to go ahead and document it as if it was negative. Click on Assign Picture to Inspection Item, select our category, which is fire safety. Here's a list of our questions to choose from. I'm going to select this one right here, the fire extinguisher inspected annually. We're going to check no. We're going to add notes. We're going to show that it was last inspected February 29, 2019. It happens to be April of 2020, so this one is past due for its annual inspection. We're going to go ahead and click Update on that. We already have some notes under this photo showing the location within the facility, and you'll see that in the report when we show that to you in a minute. Last photo was a housekeeping photo. We're going to click on the category again, housekeeping. Here's a list of our questions. We're going to go ahead and select worksite reasonably organized, give it a positive observation, and hit Update. And that's it. We've just assigned all 3 photos to our checklist. Let's go ahead and open the Report Submission tab. And we're going to come down here and click on Preview because I want you to see what the report looks like. So we see we had 2 positives and 1 negative, so our score is 66.7%. Here's our negative observation, those print in red, and our recommendations are preloaded in the report. And you notice here we're referencing the OSHA standard, and if I were to click here, it would take me to OSHA's website, and I could actually view that standard. Here's my notes, the photo, and the location where that photo was taken within the facility. Here's our housekeeping observation as a positive finding, and our safety signs, again, were noted as a positive finding. And there's the summary showing our total observations and the score, and who submitted the report. That completes our demonstration today. I hope that you found that useful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at safety-reports.com.